Oh, come here, Tootie, will you? One of her. Something pinching you? Is something hurting you, honey? Or you're just mad? I don't want to go to sleep.
What's the matter?
I don't want to go to sleep.
What's the matter?
But I have to.
What's the matter? What?
I have to go to sleep, but I don't want
The phony baloney cry.
to. Give me your Tootie, will you?
Wait a minute.
That's funny.
What was that little phony baloney cry? What was that? What? Oh, you're doing like your mommy now, nerding.
Doing like Nan in her chair. I'm gonna go to sleep, babies. You got mad, didn't you? Because you didn't want to go to sleep. Olivia does that sometimes too.
Huh?
She cries when she has to go to sleep. She fights it.
Yep. A strong little girl. Look at that little pretty face.
Would you pick those sunglasses up in those pictures? Ronald?
Hi. Hello. Pretty little girl.